Hey guys, this Wednesday, but actually it's Thursday. Wednesday it rained. We did a little bit of tree work on the last video. Now I've got all Wednesday's yards, like 10 or 12, I can't remember exactly. And we got the big wood place on the list. Adam's coming in earlier, a little bit earlier today to help me. We're gonna try to get a lot done today. I'm mowing. But first I'm gonna change the oil real fast on my mowers. I never hardly maintenance them right, really, but we're gonna change the oil in them and see we can get that done here in about 15-20 minutes. So let me go grab my mowers. I'll pull them up here to the back door. All right, okay guys. I already got the oil drains a little bit loose. These things this one here is dirty. I'm not worried about that. I think I'm gonna fire them up for a little bit, let them warm up, and then drain the oil. They come out faster. Okay, they've been running for about 5 minutes. Let's get the oil draining out of these puppies. I've already got the bolts loose. Hopefully they'll drain right. Man, I need something to stick there to hold that over the pan, man. There. A rock. Come on, drain out. Might take a while. I'll set it up here a little bit of oil, and then I can wash it off someday. One of these years. I guess it ain't gonna be a fast process, is it? Let's undo the other one, see if it can come out. Which one wins? That one's got a head start though, right? And the Ferris needs a hole. I need to drill a hole through the side of this thing so I can stick this hose through it. Yeah, baby. I need to stick something on there, like something heavy. It don't have to be real heavy, I guess. I got a piece of concrete. Might be good enough. Muffler's hot. And the motor's hot. Who heated these motors up? That ain't heavy enough. Let me get something else. The sledgehammer fit in there? No. Crazy, bro. Oh, son. Maybe I can hold it down with my magnet. Quit doing that. Sticking everything. There. That's holding her down. Ouch. Whose idea was it to... Oh my goodness. Ouch. Keep touching my knuckles. Okay, she's coming out now. Not very fast. This might take a while. I need to get something to push on that a little bit. Oh. to sit in that piece of metal down there. I can get this to go over like that. That ain't gonna work. Getting oil on that metal. I guess if I move this back here, it'll probably just drip in the pan anyway. It'll run down there and go in the pan. I just move the pan back a little bit. There, it'll end up in the pan. Get a little on the mower. Alright, I'll get back with you guys when these are done draining. Okay guys, looks like the grasshopper's done draining. It's down to one drip at a time. Next time I change this oil, it's going to be at night, and I'll let it drain maybe for a lot longer. But I ain't got time this morning to mess around, so we're going to cap this thing off and pull the filter and get her done. Getting my filter wrench. I bought this Fram filter wrench at Walmart about 15-20 years ago. It's been a good one. And the bad thing about these mowers, the filter's over here on the side, and it's been about 300 hours since I changed the oil on this. Ain't that horrible? I got it written on my thing here. Looks like I got the same filter though. The filter looks about the same. That's a good deal. Most Briggs and Stratton filters are all about the same anyway. That's horrible. This thing ain't gonna know what to do with fresh oil in it. Go around here and show you guys where the filter's down here. Just wipe the gasket on the dirty hoses so you don't make a good seat. That way you know it's got oil running through it. If it's not got a seat, I mean it's leaking a little bit, you know. I gotta put you guys down. I should have wiped my hands off. I don't like using the wrench to tighten them up. I gotta get a towel. This filter's got oil all over it. Okay, now when your gasket reaches the motor, you only want to turn it like a half turn or something. Just get it a little bit tight. I turn it too much usually. That should do it. You just seal on a rubber seal. I should have got fuel filters, but they were running pretty good. They don't need fuel filters. I wish I had a white marker so I could write on here, but that's what my board's gonna be for. I got a board. So now all I gotta do is throw some oil on this thing. Oh, hey, I gotta put my plug in. What'd I do with my plug? I lost it. What's that up here? I should put some pipe dope on that, but it'll be alright. Oh my gosh, my concrete fell in there. These are pipe threads anyways, they'll seal. They kinda, the way they're made. They get fatter as they go down. That'll do it. Then we'll flip it back over here where it was. Okay, this one here needs oil. I almost said that was dead of them. Load her up with no oil in it. That would have been bad. Do not overfill. I'm not even sure how much they hold. Let me look it up on. I think it's like a quart and a half. We'll put one cord in and then we'll see what it looks like. I think it's gonna need a little more. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we need a little bit more. That is my rag. A little bit more. I think they hold a quart and a half. A little bit more. Oh. Uh-oh, Adam's here. I'm not done. He's gonna get mad at me. May have to take some out of this one. Dang it. Oh, wait a minute. Let's take that again. I think it's pretty good. It might be a teeny bit over full, but it ain't bad. It'll run. There he is. This one's done. I'm changing oil. This is how long it takes for draining out. We got a little left coming out. It's pissing me off. Dang.
Super little.
But we can load up our truck. And hook up the trailer. Well, that's draining. We got that one. I got that one done finally. I guess I'll turn my camera off for a minute. We're gonna load up. We're gonna take the filter off this Ferris, I guess. Well, I didn't even drain it into that. I'll just let it hit the ground. This is dust control. This one here's been leaking. Oh, went the wrong way, like a crazy person. This one here's got drugs all over it. Gunk. Get this stuff out of there. I wish I would have washed them off. Maybe I'll do it later. Oh yeah, there's oil coming out there. That needed changed. Gotta go put this on a fence post. Keep it in the line. I'll just leave there and hold it forever.
Oh, I see that. You got one over there.
That's
That's when you just
that's
took
off
off,
this one,
ain't it?
yeah. Alright, we'll get back with it. Alright, we got it done draining. I didn't put the filter on this one yet. Adam,
Yeah.
those wrenches. There's a plug here somewhere. It goes in this hose. Let me move this out of the way so we don't drop our stuff in it. There's a little bolt plug that goes in this hole right. This hose.
Yeah.
Where'd I do the damn plug? It's like a square. No, it's a. That one there's like a bolt. It should be sitting right here. Can't believe I didn't even keep an eye on that. Maybe it fell. Needless for that, I'm gonna put this filter on.
Oh, there it is. Laying in the dirt.
Is that the right one?
Yeah.
You might want to wipe it off. Where's my rag?
I use my shirt.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
It's on the. I probably left it in my truck. Any of them laying there will work. That's the one I was using. I'm gonna put oh my gosh, this stupid thing. Oh, there it works. Alright, I'm gonna put the filter on, girls. Put a little oil on the seal, on the seat, on the seat. Yeah. Okay, you guys know how to put a filter on, I hope.
Let me stick this on there.
Yeah, but don't over tighten it. Just snug it. It wasn't very tight, thank God. That's tight enough. No,
Only do it with my finger.
quarter turn with the wrenches. If that. If it feels good and tight, it's good enough. It's got a good seat thing on, like a hydraulic hose looks like. That one there was leaking pretty good on this side. The oil filter. Okay guys, now all we gotta do is put some oil on it. That clips back and goes through that little ring. That direct toward the front. You see it?
Oh yeah.
These mowers ain't gonna know what to do. New oil. What I do with my damn oil? That white that's up there. Oh, I got all on this thing. Should have a quart left over in this. No, a quart and a half.
In that jug? It's like more than
Should
that.
have that left over when I'm done.
Oh. Yeah.
Ooh, that's almost quart and a half. I think. Let's see.
Mostly old.
I should have 1 quart left. It'll a quart and a half. It's only a 4-quart jug. Usually they're 5 nowadays. Except for semi-oil.
Already got that one tightened.
What did I do with my you see my dipstick?
Oh.
I can't believe I ain't got it sitting right here. Oh, it ain't yellow, that's what's wrong. Hard to read. Go down here a little bit. I know it's gonna need some more. Oh my gosh. That mower I was reading there, it needs a little bit more. That John Deere says change oil every 25 hours. That's a lot of oil changes. If you're doing like we are,
Yeah.
every week almost. That's not really gross. But it will probably just too much now. That's way up in the tube. jug.
Yeah. You done with these wrenches?
I think so. I had some other wrenches laying here. I thought. I don't know where. I'm working on this more. I lost everything. I was using a crescent wrench.
Oh, here we go.
Was that a crescent wrench?
Uh-huh.
Maybe it was those wrenches you had.
Yeah.
It's a different size of bolt though. Oh, you already put them in, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done with them.
Okay.
Put them in now. I don't know where to put it in the box. They're still. Can't get it up. It's still reading. I think that I got a jacket out here in the front. What's wrong with it? I'm not getting the right measurement because I got a jack over here probably. Got the front jacked up. That'll probably be full. I had the front jacked up a little bit. I'm gonna leave it there. It's looking like it's just in here. I'll put this in there. Call it good anyway. Alright, so oil changes. We're gonna get going.